haven't been here for a while. Isn't it so pretty? So I've never actually tried anything from this brand before. It's really smooth. It's a very interesting color story. What's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders, and we talk about a lot of things here, mostly makeup and skincare, sometimes nail polish, we have the occasional unboxing, and I almost always drop something. If you're interested in any of those things, stick around, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell. Today we're doing an eyeshadow palette review. I've had this eyeshadow palette in my collection since the new year, so prior to my no-buy. This is from Cara Beauty. This is the Cara Duo, the Time Traveler palette. I picked this up at Winners right before New Year's, and you can see why. First of all, there's some greens in there, there's some berry tones. My lighting is weird, I apologize. Yeah, that's a little bit better, we'll do that. Isn't it so pretty? I'm not really sure what I want to do with this. There are many options. It does come with a mirror. We all know that that makes me super happy. We'll be using my Gerard Cosmetics eyeshadow base today. I have been just kind of doing my own thing, decompressing, soul searching. I don't know what I want to call it, but I've just been kind of doing my own thing for a while. So I really like this eyeshadow base. A little bit goes a long way. Super pigmented. Just gives a really even base. Very easy to use, and everything always looks amazing. So now we are going to swatch these. Okay, so those are the lightest shades. I'm just gonna put these ones beside it. Oh, that's pretty. So far, so good. So I've never actually tried anything from this brand before, so this is going to be a true first impression. So there is a combination of mostly mattes. There are some satin shades, some shimmers, and then there is this one pressed glitter so far. I think that's the only pressed glitter there is. It's a very interesting color story. Okay, that's all of them. They're swatched. They're all on my arm. Not terrible. I can't wait to put these on my eye. Today we are going to use the shade Wanderlust. And I'm going to focus that just kind of above my crease. That's actually applying very easily. It's very pigmented. I like that. It's really smooth. So that color is very easy to use, no issues at all. So I'm going with this Possibility shade. It's like a stone gray. I'm gonna focus that on the outer corner, and I'm gonna blend it up into that first shade, but not as high. Honestly, as far as these matte shades go, they are performing pretty well. I'm just going in doing the same thing on the other side. It's got like almost like a green undertone to it. Wasn't really sure how these two shades would go together, but they're complementing each other okay. I like it. And now I'm going to take this shade Remember Me, and I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to pop that all over the lid. It's kind of like an olivey green type color. I just think it's going to go really well and blend in with that darker shade. I'm going to focus that in the center of my lid. That is like really creamy, really buttery, really easy to use. I like the color. I seriously can't wait to see how this holds up. I'm just gonna go back in with that dark shade one more time. Just blend out those edges. Make sure nothing weird's going on. And with that super icy shade here, that white shade, Magic Concept. And I'm gonna use this brush. This one's kind of little, it's like a pressed glitter, but it's kind of funny. I'm not really sure. Just kind of brightens up that inner corner. The only thing I would change from this look is that I wish this was more like a little bit more wearable. Other than that, looks good. I'm gonna get some mascara. I'm just gonna use my Tarte Big Ego mascara. I really like the brush size of this mascara wand. Okay, so as I'm looking at the eyeshadow, colors were easy to work with. That shade Magic Concept, the texture of it is a little bit crumbly. So overall, I'm actually very happy that I sat down to film this review. I can't wait to use this again. I do have another palette from this brand. Let me know if you'd like to see another look. Maybe we could sit down, do some live streams soon. I've missed everybody. I hope everyone's doing great, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.